Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G31. In this video I'll show you how to change battery sounds. In the beginning, enter Play Store and search for battery sound notification app. Install this app and open it. Now, tap the plus in the right corner and select mode between connected, disconnected, full battery and low battery. Then select sound source between audio file, ringtone and text to speech.
Disconnected.
Name your function. Give it description. And if it's done, tap this button to save. Now you've got your new battery sound. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.